Every year at work, they have a gingerbread house building contest, and the IT department, which I am part of, usually doesn't participate because we are non-participators. But we have a new boss this year, and he wanted to make a good showing. So we had an idea based on the video that went viral a few years back with the Trans-Siberian Orchestra and the house with the dancing lights. And we were going to do something similar with the gingerbread house. So I was tasked with building a platform that would hold the electronics, and then the house would be on top of it. And then to build a facsimile of the house out of wood. So if we had to drill the cookie or whatever, the wood would hold it together and it would be good and sturdy. I sort of had to guess at the measurements because I left the cookies at work, but I came close. I just threw together a plywood house and nailed it and glued it together. So we covered that platform with some of that polyfill stuff and added some trees and some marshmallow snowmen and reindeer. In the bottom right corner, you see us sticking LEDs into gumdrops and gluing them to the top of the house. And then we had like 5 minutes to decorate this thing and did a really horrible job of it. Our biggest challenge was our friend Jace here had programmed the Arduino to play the music and dance the lights, but we had that switch right there fail, the relay, or whatever it's called. So we had to use this analog switch, and what was supposed to be 50 lights ended up only being 12. There's supposed to be a path in front, and the trees are supposed to light up, but we had those 12 gumdrop lights on top of the house. So you could imagine it's not quite as impressive as it was originally meant to be. We didn't win. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope this was fun.